Installing a lower power distribution board. Use the two standoffs to hold the lower power distribution board in a vertical position and then lower it into the enclosure. Align the three T-head posts with the large opening of the keyholes on the board and gently place the board into the enclosure. Slide the lower power distribution board until the three T-head posts are firmly seated in the keyholes. Tighten the captive screw with a Phillips No. 1 screwdriver to secure the lower power distribution board to the enclosure. Connect the three fan cables to the lower power distribution board. Connect the two interconnect cables to the lower power distribution board.